how to order on Shein app or buy on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can order products from the Shein app and start buying them, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you use the Shein app and then you want to buy products, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch a Shein app, and I'm sure you've already signed into your account. Now in order to buy products, first of all you have to browse through the product categories that you might like, or you can also simply search for them. And once you are on a specific product page, let's say you want to buy this, make sure to select the proper color, the proper size, the quantity as well, and then just tap the add to cart option. You can keep adding more products to your cart, but for now I'm just going to skip to the checkout process. And to go to the checkout process, tap the cart icon from the top right hand side to come to the cart page. You'll be able to see the products that you've added. Once you've added the products, over here just head over to the checkout option. Once you head over to checkout, right under order confirmation, first of all enter your shipping method, such as where you want your product to be delivered. In my case I've already entered that, so you're not being able to see it. After that you have to confirm your payment either using PayPal, credit or debit card, or maybe your Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even your Cash App. Depending upon whatever is comfortable for you, just select them. If you want to apply some vouchers, you can apply them. You can apply some wallet or gift card codes. Tap the continue to payment option. Your order will be confirmed and you'll receive within a few days period of time. This way you'll be able to order from the Shein app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.